In today's video, I'm going to show you how to delete your SHEROES account. So if you want to get rid of your SHEROES account, since you don't want to use it anymore, you can keep watching the video till the end. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel if you've not yet, and also press the notification bell so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. Go ahead and log into your email account that you used while signing up for SHEROES. Since I used my Gmail account to do so, let me go ahead and log into my Gmail account. Once you open it up, go ahead and compose an email by clicking the compose button, and in the two text box appearing in the pop-up, type in care@sheroes.in, and once you type in the email, go to the subject field and type in request to delete my account. After you are done, send them an email asking them to erase all of your information associated with the account. After you are done making the request, click the send button, and once you send your message, all you need to do now is to wait for the reply from their end. That is how you can easily delete your SHEROES account. Once you receive your inbox, you can go ahead and follow the prompts, and that way you should be able to get rid of your account right away. If the video was helpful to you, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. I'll be back soon with more videos like this. Thanks for watching.